What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to the special edition of the Fans Corner. This is the UEFA Champions League final episode, and the big match: Bayern Munich versus Paris Saint-Germain. This is the final this season, and most of us, I think, predicted this. Final. It's a big game. I'll go right into it with you. Who do you think, or what do you think is going to happen between both of these teams that have been playing really, really well?
See, Bayern's definitely going to play really well. PSG will be really lucky. That's my opinion. And I don't know. You can never expect anything. It could be 8-2 finals.
8-2 finals. Wow.
It could be. You never know.
So you're saying Bayern?
Jokes apart, yeah, Bayern will be playing really good. They'll be conservative. You can expect like a good match, high goal scoring match because it's all attack. It's the trident over versus the trident over here.
Alan, I'll come to you. Bayern PSG, Bayern Munich, we've seen them steamroll through so many opponents. But then against a few teams, you could see they were susceptible at the back. There were holes. Obviously their fullbacks were covering like a lot of ground. But then those holes, do you think PSG have the attack force to cover those? Obviously.
Definitely, I think the semis, if Depay scored that goal, I think it could have been different. It could have been difficult. I'm not saying the result would have been different.
Yeah.
But I think they scored, and they had a lot of chances. Even Dembele could have scored. So a lot of spaces. I think if they exploited, it could have been a much more tighter match.
Yeah.
But yeah, like you said, the fullbacks are covering him. Even going forward, I have to mention Davies, like the way he runs in and he just looks around what's happening around him and he gives the ball. It's not just the dribbling. I think Bayern are too strong for PSG, but I mean PSG, they have Neymar, Mbappe, Di Maria. I mean Neymar is just world class. Forget about all the diving and everything. As a player, as a dribbler, okay, not as a finisher, but I don't think he'll have 3 games continuously of bad finishing. I'm sure he'll come good in the finals. So I think it'll be a very exciting match. Even though Bayern are favourites, I think anything can happen.
Faris, talking about Neymar's misses, so many misses that even I think Chelsea players would have finished, like Giroud and all. What do you think about Neymar's finishing? Do you think he'll get it back in this game?
I think it's a big game. So, if Neymar doesn't perform, the whole 222 million, price tag that's on him is going to be it's going to be talked about for ages. I mean, this is the first opportunity they're getting in a final, and they, getting through the semis was also the first time. So it's going to be a huge test for them. Especially they have been, spending so much amounts of cash from 2011 itself. So I mean, they have to deliver it now, or it's like how Mourinho recently said that if they don't win, they're going to be a failure, and that's what's going to happen if they don't win.
And even the Sheikh came after the game. He was hugging each player. That's how much it means to him also. And moving on, Advait, coming to an Arsenal fan, Serge Gnabry on fire this season with Lewandowski and Thomas Muller. That attack, they're so well oiled. They understand each other. And even Perisic now, even he's been performing really well. What do you think about the Bayern attack in contrast with the PSG attack?
Well, the Bayern attack is much more different to the PSG attack because the way they press is just unbelievable. We saw against Barca, even though it was 8-2, they could have easily scored way more than 8.
Yeah.
Every single player in that attack works well together, they press well together, and that they drive the entire team forward. So they work hard, so hard for the team. Even Muller has come back into the team under Flick, and he's been doing so well. And of course, you have Lewandowski as well, who's been probably one of the I'd say the best player in world football this season.
Yeah.
So it's scary for a PSG defense to face his attack. But at the same time, PSG have been playing well. Kimpembe, I feel, has been really good this past few games. So it's going to be a really good matchup.
Yeah.
Advait, I really liked how you took your shot at Siddharth for him making fun of Arsenal.
Yeah.
So, and how do you feel about Gnabry? He was insane the semi-final, that goal.
Gnabry, I've always felt he's a really good player. It's sad that he left Arsenal, but we couldn't do anything. He wanted to leave, and
Arsenal told he's not good enough for Arsenal.
no, Arsenal never said he's good enough. Tony Pulis is a he only never played him for West Brom. That's why he wanted to leave Arsenal. But yeah, he was always a good player even for Arsenal, and you could see he's one of the best wingers in the world right now.
Vichu, one more question to you. The Ballon d'Or, we had a debate, and you said either Lewandowski or CR7. Any doubts now about who should have won the Ballon d'Or?
No doubt so far. It's Lewandowski.
Yeah. So, hands down, everyone I think agrees Lewandowski deserves the Ballon d'Or this season. It's a shame that they.
On one side, Lewandowski for sure. On the other side, Messi not for sure. It's like Messi will not win it. And that's also there. Just there.
Alright, quickly I'll go to Faris. Faris, tell me about the Bayern lineup. What do you predict?
I think they're going to stick with the same system. They're not going to change anything. They will stick with a 4-3-3 with high pressing and a very high defensive high line. And they're going to stick with Neuer in goal, Kimmich right back, Alaba and Boateng CB, and left back with obviously Alphonso Davies. And in the midfield, they'll have Thiago, Goretzka, and who was the other one? Yeah, Muller. Muller will be there in the cam position, and on the flank there'll be Perisic instead of Koeman, and on the right there'll be Gnabry and Lewandowski for striker.
Wow, what a lineup! I can't even talk about the Barca game or the other game also against Leipzig. Okay, moving on, Advait. What about the PSG lineup? What do you think about that?
PSG lineup, I think goalkeeper, I'm not sure if Navas is back to full fitness yet, so it'll probably be Sergio Rico. And centre backs will be Kimpembe and Silva. Kimpembe, I feel, will have it's a very important game for him because he's good at playing out the back. So he needs to beat Bayern's press.
Yeah.
And right back will be Kehrer, and left back Bernat. Now midfield will be probably Herrera. Midfield three of Herrera. Paredes will probably play. I think he's very vital to beat Bayern's press and to play those long balls to Mbappe behind the high line. Paredes, if Verratti doesn't play, Paredes, and the third midfielder is Marquinhos, the CDM.
Yeah.
And up front, you have your Neymar, Di Maria, and Mbappe, who hope maybe come up with a few goals against Bayern.
Wow. Alan, I'll start with you. The lineups are, we predicted the lineups. Who do you think will win this cracking game?
Bayern are obviously favorites to win the game, but then see, PSG, they could have easily been out in the quarterfinals against Atlanta. Like last 5 minutes, they scored 2 goals. So, and to think they're in the finals right now, it's very important to them. I think Faris mentioned that. And even, which it's a very important finals for them. They can say to the world that, all our money is worth spending after winning the quadruple. It will be a great achievement for them. And there's such a bad record in the Champions League last 6 or 7 years. I'm predicting a 2-2 kind of result at 90. Might go to extra time. I'm just hoping for a very good finals. I think Bayern will kill the game.
Alright, Vichu, what about you?
Honestly, both attacks are really good. It depends on whose defense is going to slip up. That's the scenario of this game. You get it? Yeah. And you can expect a lot of goals. That'll be fun to watch. Let's see. Let's hope for an exciting finals.
So I heard you say 8-2 also. So is it gonna be?
See, it can be anything, man. If anything, this season, if you see Champions League, one thing you can expect is to expect an unexpected game. That's how this Champions League has been. And on one side, if you notice, Bayern Munich has been winning all their games. You can say it's like a proper win. And on the other hand, you can say that luck favors PSG, right?
Yeah.
And now the finals are going to be luck versus deserving. Something of that sort. You get it?
Yeah.
And it'll be an exact.
Alright, Faris, what about you?
I think Bayern is going to dominate possession most of the game because they don't have they're not playing Marquinhos as centre back. He's playing in the CDM role. So probably they won't have much of possession. And Bayern is much better on the pressing game and playing a defensive high line. So if PSG keep possession and play those long balls to Mbappe and attack those spaces behind Alaba and Boateng, it's I think it'll go in PSG's favor. But obviously the favorites for this game is Bayern, and I predict 4-2, and there'll be lots of goals.
4-2. Wow. Advait, what about you?
I think it'll be a tight game. It's not going to be. I don't think it's going to be a complete domination by Bayern, because PSG's tactics are kind of well suited to Bayern in the sense that they have much more pace than Barca's forwards have up front. So I think it'll be maybe 2-1 Bayern, but I think Bayern will edge it and win.
This man, I'm enjoying this.
Any striker in the world right now is better than Luis Suarez, bro. Any striker. I
You still scored a goal for you.
I would say I don't want PSG to win because I don't know. I just don't like how they celebrate and all. It just seems very. I don't know. I just want Bayern to win this. I don't even care.
What are you supposed to do after winning?
No, bro. I just don't want PSG to win at all. Plus that I don't know. Mbappe, Neymar, Di Maria. I don't know, man. It just I feel like Bayern's more deserved. So.
I don't want Lewandowski to score any goals. Let leave Ronaldo's record alone, please.
So I'm predicting. I think 3-1 Bayern.
Lewandowski hat trick, 18 goals, Champions League.
You will wish it.
Oh my god.
But if you notice, yeah, since
Bro, but if it was a 2-leg fixture, right? I'm telling you, Lewandowski would have broken it.
Easily.
Yeah.
Lewandowski is unlucky in so many ways this
He
season.
would have scored 5 against Barca on the second leg.
He could have won the Ballon d'Or of the season. He could have won Champions League most number of goals this season. But it's all going.
It's all with a TikTok video. Which he posted.
Alright guys, Sunday night as in Monday morning for us in India here, and it's respective timings for you guys wherever you are. But don't miss this game. Obviously, I said the same thing for Bayern Barca, but that is not the biggest game. This is the biggest game because it's much better. And Bayern certainly won't steamroll through PSG because it'll be a very close game. And see you guys right after the game.